Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The renowned South Korean automaker is making a big entry into the luxury recreational vehicle industry with the 2026 Genesis Motorhome. The Genesis Motorhome is expected to provide a more upscale and sophisticated experience for discriminating tourists, building on the brand's well-established reputation in the automobile industry for elegant design, high-end materials, and cutting-edge technology. It is anticipated that the 2026 Genesis Motorhome's exterior will represent the brand's athletic elegance design concept on a greater scale for a recreational vehicle. It is expected to have a visually unique and elegant appearance on the road thanks to its smooth, flowing lines, hallmark Genesis design cues like the crest grille and quad lamps, and finely made details. A comprehensive approach to both aesthetics and usefulness is expected to be reflected in the prioritization of aerodynamic efficiency and integrated features, such as seamlessly integrated awnings and storage options. The Genesis Motorhome's interior is designed to be a haven of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The camper is anticipated to have high-end natural materials, such as soft leathers, real wood veneers, and well-made metal accents, which are modeled by the luxuriously furnished cabins of Genesis cars. It is expected that the arrangement will optimize both space and functionality while preserving a subtle sense of luxury. There are proposed spaces for sleeping, eating, living, and bathing, all of which have been carefully planned with ergonomics in mind. The 2026 Genesis Motorhome is anticipated to be distinguished by its technological integration. Modern entertainment systems with smooth connectivity, sophisticated driver assistance technologies tailored to the special dynamics of a larger car, and smart home integration capabilities for managing many onboard systems are all expected to be included in the vehicle. It is expected that the living area will be more comfortable and convenient overall thanks to easily adjustable and user-friendly climate control, ambient lighting, and entertainment options. A smooth, silent, and effective driving experience is anticipated to be the top priority for the 2026 Genesis Motorhome's powertrain. The incorporation of cutting-edge engine technology, maybe including hybrid or fully electric choices in keeping with Genesis' changing electrification agenda, is conceivable even though specifics are still up in the air. It is expected that a strong chassis and advanced suspension system will provide a smooth and steady ride, appropriate for the car's luxury positioning. In the luxury RV market, the 2026 Genesis Motorhome is positioned to carve out a distinct place for itself by appealing to people who value sophisticated design, superb craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. It is anticipated to provide a strong substitute for well-known luxury RV manufacturers by capitalizing on the Genesis brand's increasing renown for elegance and quality. The Genesis Motorhome's ability to successfully adapt the brand's basic principles to the unique needs of a recreational vehicle and provide a sumptuous and genuinely Genesis travel experience will probably determine its level of success.